From the deep, dark cracks of the crawling earth, my backyard is given birth. As the people once sung spirit into this country, my country, our country, but always their country. Not owning or directing but belonging, singing songlines, created tales, a topographic map of the mind, full of special places, story places, dreaming places, like a journey into space and time. My backyard is a broad environ, expansive across land and sea and air. I exist in all and thrive in some, eking out that next chance to see something completely new. A seat with a view, a boat full of fuel. I'm consumed by hunting food and capturing the essence of nature in her moods. This vast array of reef and green stretches right up the coast. A visual thrill-seek of waterfalls, crater lakes, mountain ranges, crystal creek springs, crocodiles, sharks and things which sting. My far northern backyard has kept its true form and sings me its calling as I embark in the morn. Action, adventure to the spots I love most, filled with reverence for country and folk, bestowed with the means to travel remote.